Welcome to Nini Mandarin, Chinese poetry and love story. 越人歌 Whispers of the Heart. 今夕何夕兮，千舟中流。今日何日兮，得与王子同舟。蒙羞披好兮，不知垢耻。心几烦而不觉兮，得知王子。山有木兮木有枝，心悦君兮君不知。This is one of the earliest Chinese poems and songs, best known for its final two lines expressing deep and unspoken love. The cover theme of my new book, Chinese Stories for Language Learners Intermediate Volume 2, available now with the link in the description below. This poem tells the true and heartfelt love story of an ordinary young woman for a noble prince. Here is how this story begins. 楚国有一个王子叫子熙，他性格开朗，年轻有为，英俊潇洒，是君子的模范，也是很多人的偶像。他偶尔去国外旅游，即使低调，也会引起别人的注意。在一个晴朗的春天，子熙去了越族地区游湖。他和保镖们坐在一条龙船上看风景。当时龙船上有几个年轻的船员，其中一个是个美丽的越族女孩。女孩静静地看着子熙，她以前就听说子熙不仅是王族人士，而且英俊潇洒，没想到今天能见到他本人。看着子熙的模样，女孩变得脸红心跳。她心想，这就是一见钟情吗？ To enjoy the full love story along with the poem, please check my new book. This is book 4 of my Chinese Stories for Language Learner series, a collection of Chinese folktales, myths, idioms, proverbs, historical and modern stories, specially designed for students who enjoy learning Chinese language and culture. As a thank you for supporting me and my work, I've created a PDF gift of this poem for you. You can download it via the link in the description below. Thank you again. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and I will see you next time.